Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we can see how difficult it is for Windows 10 users to move away from it and go to Windows 11 or change anything. And it's totally understandable because first of all, most people got to understand that there's tech enthusiasts like I am and like a lot of you here following me that will go to Windows 11 and will try new things because they feel like they find it cool to try this. But if we go to the average user, the standard Windows user, they don't want change. They don't want to have, everything moved around and messed up and then, find this new operating system and find some of the settings or some of the things that they just don't find in the same place. Windows 11 isn't that different, but there's still change, and people just don't like it. And, it's always been like that for every version of Windows. When I did my tech duties, I moved people from Windows 98 to up to Windows 8 at the end. The last few people that I did were on Windows 8. And, you could see, depending on the system, how people resist change, and I said it again and again that most people get a new operating system due to a new computer. So according to a lot of reports, there are, first of all, people aren't moving to Windows 11 even if their PC can, even if their minimum requirements are okay. People don't want to move to Windows 11, and there's a lot of reasons behind it. Change. Also, the other thing is there's a lot of negativity in Windows 11 right now. So people hear that and will interpret that as, oh, well, apparently Windows 11 is bad. So that also will, not help out. So the question I got asked was, Windows 10 is at 67% market share in the Windows world right now. And Windows 11 is at 28-ish percent. What would be my predictions for Windows 10 up to October 2025? And I could easily see Windows 10 still being more than 50% of PCs in October 2025. That would tell you that it's the first time ever that would have happened with a operating system from Microsoft. Of course, we know there's an extension. It will be paid, and I think a lot of people will pay them fee for the extension. Most regular users will be, there'll probably be a pop-up or something that if you want to have 3 more years of Windows 10, it might cost you this. And I think a lot of people will pay that. I think it's a way of Microsoft extending the operating system that will be working. And because people won't want to go to Windows 11, even if it's free, even if they can. And a lot of people that have PCs that work perfectly fine will just say, well, if the fee is reasonable, they won't have any problem paying the fee. From statistics, we see that when things like that happen, it's people just pay the fee and that's it. So it will be something that we'll be checking out for sure. But I can see that Windows 11 will be probably at the 50% range, even in a year and a half from now. PC sales are going up, but they're not going up probably like maybe Microsoft and the PC makers would like. And I think there was maybe there's a negative impact on something else. The talk of Windows 12 for a long time, which is not happening. There are maybe a subset of users that were just waiting for that before they purchased anything. So anyways, it's an interesting moment for Microsoft, that's for sure. It just shows how people just want to stay there on Windows 10. And it's fine. It's a good operating system. And you're used to it. You do what you want in it. Definitely, I can understand why people want to stay, but not everybody's curious and enthusiastic about Windows as I am, for example, or some of you are. So I have a question for you guys. How much market share do you think Windows 10 will have in October of 2025? Thinking that today we're at 67%, it's really not moving down very fast. At the speed that it's going down, if it doesn't change, I have a hard time seeing it below 50. And it's even going to have a hard time being below 60% at this space. So just put a number. What's the percentage you think Windows 10 will still have in October 2025? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.